This is a drop of water. In Southern California, where we often have droughts, he's kind of a big deal. But how much do you really know about him? Where does he come from? Where does he go after he's used? The majority of East San Diego County's drinking water is imported, meaning it comes from hundreds of miles away. Wow, our drop has been through a lot. But there's more. After we use this water, it becomes wastewater. So, where does it go? Right now, most of East County's wastewater travels 20 miles to the coast, where it's treated and released into the ocean. That's a valuable resource that we're letting escape. Talk about waste! But we can reuse this water. To keep water in East County, we've created the East County Advanced Water Purification Program. We will use technology to purify recycled water to the highest health and safety standards. It's already used to supply drinking water around the world. In fact, if you've been to an amusement park in Orange County, you've probably had it already. Here's how it works. After the water goes down the drain, it flows to a recycling facility. Some of this recycled water fills Santee lakes and waters landscapes at local parks. The majority of the recycled water, though, will be sent to the Advanced Water Purification Facility to be made into drinking water. First, the recycled water goes through membrane filtration, where it's forced through microscopic holes. Next, water is pushed through reverse osmosis membranes that removes particles 100,000 times smaller than a human hair. Then it goes through ultraviolet or advanced oxidation processes to further remove organic or inorganic materials. The last step in the process is free chlorine disinfection, where viruses are disinfected. Now, the water is purified and achieves high state and federal drinking water standards. At this point, the water is so clean, it's nearly distilled in quality. Now it will be pumped into Lake Jennings Reservoir and treated one more time before being delivered as safe, clean drinking water. The East County Advanced Water Purification Program will create up to 30% of East County's drinking water. This project helps our rivers, oceans, wildlife, and saves energy. It creates a safe, reliable, locally controlled source of water to protect us from drought, stabilize costs, and reduce dependence on imported water. This new local water will become part of our water supply starting in 2026. Water, it's too valuable to use just once.